Hello, you are connected with my telephone. What can I do for you?
Hi, I'd like to book a ticket to Jakarta for January 2nd.
Please wait. Oh, I'm sorry. Our flight to Jakarta on January 2nd are fully booked. Would you like to change to the next day?
Okay, may I know the schedule?
Oh, the flight will be at 9 at 11 past 30. And the last flight available is at 6 in the evening.
I'd like to take the earliest flight.
9 a.m. Flight by Citylink Air on January 5. May I have the name?
It's Yangsen.
Okay, sir. Will you require that to pay for the ticket tomorrow before 3 p.m. or the booking will be cancelled.
I'll come to your office tomorrow morning. Thank you.